Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the ultimate fashion lover, Laura. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
It's time for a vacation. Do you feel like vacation? I know I do in this dress. I'm going to go to a nice little B&B out in the countryside somewhere. This is the Rosemary dress from Danny & Dabby, and it's so comfortable, guys. Lots of smocking, beautiful fuchsia color, and you know it's got my essential, the pocket. Paired with a weekender bag from Pixie Mood, and even like one of these little nice color block scarves that we have. We don't have many of these, so you want to come get them soon. But, just in case I get cold, I'm going to do up my hair in a convertible or something like that. I'm ready. And also with the pink sunglasses. Now, it's time for some wine. Who's feeling themselves in this outfit? Trick question. I'm feeling myself in this outfit. Do you guys even know how comfortable these capris are? These are the Ashley capris from Charlie B. And they fit like a glove. They are super smooth and soft. Oh my goodness. And then just in, we have these new little lacy eyelet tank tops. Andre by Unit is where they're from. And it's the Cecilia. This is my green, you guys. This emerald green is beautiful. We also have it in a beautiful hot pink color and in a black. You want to come and try these on. Now I'm pairing it with another Pixie Mood bag, a little chain that matches the chain of the necklace that we have in store. We have a bunch of really nice big statement necklaces by the Cash. Come and check it out. Now I'm off to the Jazz Festival. Jazz. Catch me on my debut on Broadway. Look at this beautiful flowy chiffon dress. This is the Carrie by Cinderella Divine, one of the new brands we have in store. We have it in this gorgeous, gorgeous periwinkle blue. We also have it in an orchid. It is just so cute, so comfy. It has a modesty panel here because it is quite a plunging. Beautiful accordion pleats on the sleeves, on the skirt. It's fully lined. It's definitely, if you're on the busty side, you're going to fill it out well. It's going to be so gorgeous. Now, if you excuse me, it's time for me to sip on a vodka stinger and ask Bobby when he's going to make it. Going out for a date night? Maybe you would like to wear this comfortable and casual outfit. This is from our new line, Cafe Curve. This dress is the Danielle. We have it in this beautiful purple color. Now, you know purple's been hard to find. You want to snap up the purple dresses while we have them. And we also have it in a black, paired with this beautiful new black denim jacket we have from Charlie B. I want to say Charlie B. It'll get corrected in post. And then I have it also with this little cute bag, little leopard prints, jacquard look. And I can go to a restaurant, eat my fill. No one's going to be any wiser. It's summer cocktail hours, ladies. Look at this beautiful dress that we just got in from Cafe Curve. I've already forgotten the name of the dress, but you know what? It doesn't matter because I'm looking like a real hot girl, especially when I'm all blinged out with this beautiful statement necklace that we have at the store, and the Swarovski crystal rings. So obviously I've been having way too many cocktails. I can't talk anymore. Now, time to go be extra at the bar.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.